this is the most difficult that I have to do, especially with you're in the current. I have the log here just to do a flight mode. So yes, I'm trying to do my phone at the same time. Yeah, so it's really important to have a flight mode, especially you're in this situation. And I got the Mavic AiR there, and you can see me here. So I'm gonna go ahead and press it.
3, 2,
and it's
1.
It's going now. It's catching up with me. Yeah, so very difficult, but I gotta manage to do it. I never have done doing this in a river, but let me tell you something. You got so many obstacles here, and if you made a mistake, you could lose your investment. So definitely you need obstacle avoidance. It's a must with drones. Anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Wow, you see the Mavic AiR just hanging there.